The Lion's Breath. Once upon a time, a dense forest was under a powerful but short-tempered Lion King. One day, the lioness, the lion's wife, tells him, "Your breath is bad and unpleasant." Upon hearing such a remark from his wife, the lion becomes extremely embarrassed. The king's breath shouldn't smell bad or unpleasant, he thought. To check whether his breath really smelled bad, he decided to seek the counsel of his counselors. Now, the king had three counselors: a sheep, a wolf, and a fox. All of the king's counselors got summoned to the king's court at once. One by one, the lion sought their opinions. First, the sheep enters the court. "My dear little sheep," the king asked his counselor, "tell me, does my breath smell bad to you?" The sheep, a timid and an honest animal, replied honestly saying, "Yes, your majesty does seem to have an unpleasant breath today." Upon hearing the sheep's opinion, the lion is angered. As a result, he pounces on the sheep, instantly killing it and then eating the sheep. Next came the wolf's return. "What do you think? Do you think my breath is unpleasant?" asked the lion. Now the wolf witnessed his colleague's fate and didn't want the same to be done to him. So he says, "Not at all. Who says Majesty's breath smells unpleasant? To tell the truth, it smells as good as fresh roses, my Majesty." However, flattery did not save the wolf's life. "You fool! You dare to flatter me?" the king roars after striking the wolf dead. At last, the fox had his turn. "So, my dear counselor, do you find my breath to be unpleasant?" the king asked. The fox, being known for his cunningness and extreme cleverness, takes a moment to compose his answer. Then, finally, he replies, "My Majesty, I am extremely sorry. I cannot answer your question. You see, I have a bad cold. Because of it, that I cannot smell well these days." Thus, the Lion King spared the life of the fox. As soon as the lion left, the fox let out a sigh of relief.